The issues were the current roof was about 25 years old. It had its lifespan already, but we noticed with the recent storms that came across the McAllen area lately, some of the hail, when it struck the top of the house, some of the shingles started separating from the roof. So we knew it was time. Plus, being over 20 years already of service, it had done its job and it was time to get a new roof. I went to the XYZ page and I saw some of the testimonials. I saw some of the videos that they had on the roofing products that they use. I liked it. I also liked the convenience factor of XYZ not being too far from my house, probably about a mile away. So I always drive by and I would see the XYZ banners, right? The vehicles, the facility. So I knew XYZ was close to the house, so I said, well, let me look at them. I also looked at others and I compared them, looked at the reviews that consumers gave them, but XYZ just topped them all. I mean, it was tough. I just saw 5 stars across the board, and I saw all the trophies and the awards that they've won, and it's kind of hard to look at others when what you're looking at right there is excellence. My experience from the start, I would say, is top-notch, outstanding. I mean, from start to finish, they talk to you, they explain everything to you, they break everything down to you on paper, they show you. You can come into their showroom here and look at the products that they use to make the best decisions that you want as far as what type of product do you want to go with, because they have very many types of products. It's given me a peace of mind. Every day I come home from work and I look up at the product that they installed for me, my new roof. It looks good. It gives the house curb appeal, and it does the service. I know that I'm not having any more shingles fall off the roof when storms come through, and it protects the family, right? And it just looks, overall, it just looks very nice. Without a doubt, I would recommend XYZ to my friends, families, co-workers, and all the above.